Okay, so now we want to improve the print information. All right, so instead of changing print information, suppose I add one more definition of a function, one more function in my elephant class, right? What is this? It's going to print the length of my tusk is so and so inches. It is only specific to the elephant. All right. Now, likewise, for a tortoise, let's print something special for a tortoise. So what are we doing? We are adding a method to the tortoise method, to the tortoise class definition. Okay. Likewise, for the mouse class definition, we are adding another method to the mouse class. So anytime we add either an instance variable or a method, what is it that we are doing? This is augmentation. All right. Anytime we add a method or an instance variable, we are augmenting our parent class. Okay, adding more to our parent class to produce this child class. All right. So instead of just printing using print info, I will now say LE info. Okay. Likewise, for a tortoise, instead of just having print info, I will say tor1. What was it? Tor info. All right. And likewise mouse1 dot mouse info. Now if you run this guy, okay, it works well and it tells us something about our individual animals special features, okay, special attributes. So this is good. Notice we have used the same method print info, same name print info for each of the animals. So that process is called polymorphism. Okay, don't forget the word polymorphism. Okay, now what if I don't want an additional line here? Okay, I want my print info for each animal to be specific to that animal. So what do I do? Well, I have the same class. So this is my last example in this file. The same class animal with its own print info, but I want to so-called specialize an elephant print info. Okay, so I will change print info for an elephant separately. Okay, so instead of calling it LE info, I'm calling it print info. This process is called overriding. So I am overriding my parents' print info by my own child's print info. It is specializing this method for the elephant. How is it specializing? It's doing the same thing as before, but that additional line I had earlier in LE info, I have included it in my print info. So notice I have a print info previously. I have changed it. That changing is called overriding parents method. All right, whichever method you had. So this entire process, mind you, is called specializing. Okay, it's not augmenting, I am specializing. Okay, likewise for a tortoise, instead of having a tor info separate from a print info, why don't I override the parents print info for my tortoise? Okay, I did that. So whatever I had in tor info, I have added it as part of my print info. Okay, likewise for the mouse, I'm specializing by overriding the print info. Okay, so I'm overriding. This process is called specialization. Okay, I write it? Yeah, specializing or specialization. Okay, so this overriding of a method is called specialization. So now I no longer need LE info. In fact, I don't even have it. Tor info, I don't even have it. Mouse info, I don't even have it. So let's run these. Hopefully there's no error. There you go. Everything worked well. All right. So this, now I'm using the same name print info for 3 different classes. This approach is called, yes, polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism. Okay, so this file is available to you. Please play with this file again and again until the next. So now we are ready to go back to our lecture notes. Okay, see you shortly.